A beautifully designed modern contemporary home dito po sa Philinvest East along Marcos Highway. Yung parking space natin is good for 2 cars. Meron ding space dito kung meron din kayong mga motor. This will be your lanai area na may access sa ating living area. And welcome to your new home. This is your living area, the kitchen area, and your dining area. Dito sa ground floor, meron din tayo ditong bedroom. So good po ito for adult room or pwede nyo rin gawing entertainment area. Our common toilet and bath dito sa ating ground floor. And then, yung door na yan is palabas doon sa ating service area. So dito sa second floor, we have 5 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. So first bedroom natin. So ito yung isang room na may sariling toilet and bath. So second bedroom dito sa ating second floor. So dito second floor, ito po yung common toilet and bath. So yung mag-occupy doon sa 3 bedrooms, ito po yung para sa inyo. So this will be your third bedroom po natin dito sa second floor. And then, ito po yung ating fourth bedroom. So lahat po yan may built-in cabinet. Last but not the least is yung ating master's bedroom with toilet and bath. And then yung ating L-shape na balcony dito sa ating master's bedroom.